You are standing in a cotton field. This is the field that we've been watching this year, and I have learned things that I had no idea about cotton. And the blooms right now, I think before they fall off, or the next phase is after they've either turned pink, and then I think they turn red. You'll need to check your Google system or your encyclopedia, and I believe that the next phase is that the cotton boll comes, or maybe it's yellow, but anyway, I'll have to go back and Google myself, but I wanted to let you stand in the cotton field with me. I've never been quite this close before, so I hope you enjoy this cotton moment. And I was afraid I was going to miss it, and that would have been a shame. So, oh my goodness, look what's happening here. I bet this is the boll. Look. Oh boy, life's exciting on a farm. You know, cotton has a long growing season. I think it's like 120 to 100 and more days, at least 120, and it needs to be really hot. So here you go, folks. Here's what's going to happen. Can you see that? Cotton's coming. I'll keep you posted.